In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Trade Republic to bank account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Wealth or the Cash tab up top, and then you want to go to the Transfer button at the bottom right, and you want to tap on Send. Now, here on the list, you should be able to see your bank accounts you have interacted with previously, or of course the ones that you have sent money from to this Trade Republic account. And then when you see them, you can just basically tap on that account, or you could add a new bank account by tapping New Bank Account at the bottom, and then you'll be able to get the steps to how to basically add a new one to your account. Now, from here, come back and then tap on the account you want to send to. So, for example, this first one, and then it's going to ask you how much you want to send. So for this, I'm just going to do, let's just do 100 euros over here, and then you want to tap on next at the bottom, and then when you tap on next over here, it's basically going to show you a screen where it's going to say send at the bottom, and then where it says send, basically just tap on that if the confirmation looks good, and then you'll be able to go ahead and send it to your bank account. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.